Hi, my name's Ryan. Welcome to my channel, Ryan's Workshop. Today we're going to be working on a pretty spectacular ring. This is a stainless steel ring blank with candy apple green pigment powder and green rhinestones. And it looks like this. So thanks for stopping by. Hit the subscribe button if you like, and stay tuned for how we make this. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to be giving away one ring a month, very similar to this. So leave a comment in the section below. This week I'd like to ask you to name your favorite actor who's played Batman. And you can Google that if you need to. But definitely comment and let me know if you have any suggestions or you want to see me work on a specific ring in the comments. Thanks.